here's my lucky lamb, and you know what that means. It's Ghostly Eddie. You're in the Ghostmobile, and we're heading towards another cemetery deep in the heart of the Central Valley. It's a cloudy day. It's very beautiful. It's very remote. And we're heading towards the cemetery whose name I forget right now, but I'll figure it out when I get there. Okay, everyone. I figured out what cemetery I'm at. This is the Patterson Cemetery in the heart of the Central Valley, and it's very remote. It's very peaceful here, except cars that go by from time to time. And as you can see, the sky is very moody and cloudy, so this is the perfect time to talk with our spirit friends. Hi, James and Betty. Good morning. Hi, Ollie and Ives. How are you all today? You're loved. You're cared for. And you're remembered. Hi, Josephina. Hi, Jennifer and Janelle. Love you all. Look at this beautiful little series of statues. Hi. Can anyone tell me their name? Hi, Cassiano and Juliana. Hi, Anali. I think we're in the baby part of the cemetery. Hi, Lalito.